there was a tip-off. The Delhi police had a tip-off. Sources are saying that they were told about Vibhav's presence inside the Chief Minister's residence. After that, we saw the Delhi senior officials reach the Chief Minister's residence. Some of them have left, although we don't know anything about Vibhav's presence, whether or not he's there at the Chief Minister's residence.
I yesterday saw the interesting turn of event because the moment Aam Aadmi Party's, national spokesperson was holding a press conference, the Delhi police team reached there. And it is also important to be noted what my sources have told me that there was a tip-off regarding Vibhav Kumar being inside the CM's residence. Probably he came in that white color Fortuner along with Raghav Chadha. That's why if you see the moment the Delhi police vehicle with tinted black glass, where the visuals of the person who has been taken from the CM's residence has not been captured on camera, Raghav Chadha has also left from the location. So all it is possible that the Delhi police got this tip-off. I'm still awaiting a confirmation from the senior officials regarding whether Vibhav has been picked up or not.
Well, yes, absolutely. We need a confirmation of whether that has happened. Let's go back to Tejshri. She's reporting live from the Chief Minister's residence. Yes, over to you, Tejshri.
Yes, what we are learning as of now is that Raghav Chadha along with Sanjeev Jha, Aam Aadmi Party leader, left along with him, and the senior police officials have just left. But yes, one team of Delhi police is still inside. Arvind Kejriwal, Chief Minister of Delhi, is still inside. He has no political roadshow, no political rally scheduled as of now. But yes, Atishi is holding a press conference where she is talking about the second video, and the video she is talking about, the location in which the location of that particular video is exact the same place where you're watching on your TV screens. This was the gate from where she had come out, where she stepped out. Security guards of Delhi police asked her to leave this entire premises, and that's why she stepped out. This is the place where 112 was standing along with the Delhi police. They asked her to accompany her because Swati Maliwal could be seen in that particular video having a conversation with the Delhi police. She probably seems like was explaining that they are not allowing her to sit and that she needs their help and she needs to get a drop somewhere. And then, as the FIR certainly narrates, that she went first to her residence with the help of the cops. Then from there she asked her to get an auto. She asked them to get an auto, and then from there she went to Civil Lines police station. But here here at Chief Minister's residence, which is the crime spot, movements are very high over here. We need to see that now what happens, because you see Delhi police team is continuously coming over here since they got this tip off that Vibhav Kumar could be inside. The same person, Vibhav Kumar, accused in this entire matter in the Sheesh Mahal assault gate, the prime accused, the main accused, who allegedly assaulted Swati Maliwal, who allegedly slapped her not just once but 7 to 8 times, not just on her face but also on her chest, on her lower body parts, as well as what Swati Maliwal has mentioned in her statement. So now what is next? Certainly trouble is mounting for Aam Aadmi Party as well, because on one hand Sanjay Singh gives a statement after 48 hours, breaks the silence, that this entire incident, they are condemning this incident and strict action will be taken against Vibhav Kumar. Next day he is seen at Lucknow airport with Kejriwal and Sanjay Singh. After a couple of days, when the complaint and FIR gets filed, Aam Aadmi Party comes up with a press conference, says that hum Swati Maliwal ka sach samne laane wala hai. So now Aam Aadmi Party is itself contradicting their statements and their actions are saying something else. And what is happening inside Chief Minister's residence is a big question, because all these CCTV cameras will also be monitored. The CCTV cameras that you can see on your TV screen, these will also be monitored as the digital evidence. FSL team had gathered over here. They recreated the scene, and that is why Swati Maliwal walked in from this particular gate for the recreation of the scene.